Welcome back, my good people, and it's good to see you back in this channel. And I really appreciate what you've been doing in this channel by uplifting it up and always constantly watching videos and commenting. For the new guys who are arriving at this particular time, kindly do not forget to hit this notification bell, return subscribe, turn it on for more videos that I will post. Now, what are the things that you should never do or even put in your vagina? And in this video, it is backed with science in relation to the anatomy and physiology of the vagina. Kindly note that vagina is an amazing organ, and its walls are always elastic and they do stretch. And note that vagina is self-cleansing. So we want to know why we should never put anything inside it, because vagina has its own way of balancing itself in terms of the normal pH of the vagina, which we constantly talk about, of 3.8 to 4.5, and it has its own bacteria that regulates its own ecosystem, and this normally help in protection of an infection or any intruder that might interfere with the normal balance and normal ecosystem of the vagina. So this balance is very, very delicate, and wrong practices and substances that you may place or you may put in this particular vagina can disrupt its environment, and this can cause irritation and even infections like urinary tract infections and even vaginal candidiasis. So we want to jump into this video and see what are the things that you should never do to your vagina, or never insert into your vagina. If you have not subscribed to this channel again, kindly click the notification bell, return subscribe, turn it on for more videos that I will post. Do not douche your vagina or even use harsh soaps while cleaning your vagina, because when you douche your vagina, meaning that while you are cleaning your vagina, do not even insert this particular finger inside your vaginal area that you are cleaning, where these hands cannot pass. Kindly do not go past this particular 4 fingers. When you are cleaning your vagina, just use lukewarm water to clean around the vulva area, and do not insert anything, because if you insert any material inside your vagina, it will interfere with the normal pH of the vagina, and this may introduce infection like vaginal candidiasis or even urinary tract infection. So harsh soaps and even douching is not recommended in cleaning your vaginal area. Always avoid scented products, products that you might think they are smelling nice, like vaginal deodorants, sprays, or even perfume soaps. They might seem fresh to you, but these normally irritate the vaginal linings, causing allergic reaction. Vagina does not need new perfumes, or vagina is not supposed to smell like a rose flower or even lavender, jasmine, or even lily. The vagina has its own distinct smell. So do not introduce deodorants or even perfume thinking that you may make vagina to smell nice. Never put non-medical object inside your vagina. Normally, things are trending online, like people inserting cucumbers, glittering capsules, or even objects that have not been prescribed anywhere by your doctor, or even unprescribed toys inside the vagina. This can normally lead to cuts, bruises, or even infection. Worst of it, we've met a patient coming with a toy that has got stuck inside the vagina, and this is now might predispose this particular patient to more infection. Do not use what has not been approved by medical practitioner that you are inserting inside your vagina. Always say no to unregulated DIY remedies, that is, do it yourself. Some ladies normally insert the garlic cloves to treat infection in their vagina. And this one may cause more harm than good, because garlic contains compounds that are normally irritating your vaginal area. Do not insert garlic in the vagina, because it will interfere with the vaginal tissues. There are some important uses of garlic that I've talked about in this particular video, and always watch us every time we upload any new video. Do not ignore any signs of infection. If you see or notice any vaginal discharge, some distinct smell in your vaginal area, even itchiness, or even vaginal bleeding other than your menstrual period, or even any lumps or swelling around your vulva or even inside your vaginal area, if you feel any pain while passing urine, do not self-diagnose. Kindly take a step of faith, come to the hospital. We will make proper diagnosis, proper lab investigation, and even introduce to you proper medication that will help you to get rid of any infection that we may diagnose. Kindly avoid oil-based products with condoms and even lubricants that are oil-based during intimacy. Coconut oil is not meant for lubrication during intimacy, because it weakens the condom latex, and this one can pose high risk of infection, that is sexually transmitted infection, and even can lead to this condom burst, predisposing you to unwanted pregnancy that you were not prepared of. Olive oil used as lubricant disrupt the pH levels of your vagina, predisposing you to those various kinds of candidas, Candida albicans, Candida glabrata, and even Candida tropicalis, which sometimes may be very, very difficult to get rid of, or even bacterial infections like the one topping the list, Escherichia coli, can invade your vagina and cause this infection. So normally stick to water-based or silicone-based lubricant that are formulated for intimate use. Avoid tight clothing. Tight clothing normally trap moisture and heat, and these normally form a good breeding ground for infection. I've mentioned about Escherichia coli. I've mentioned about candidas. They are really thriving best where there is good moisture and heat. So wear breathable fabrics to promote airflow around your vaginal area to keep your vagina healthy. Don't ignore regular checkups. And I normally say that checkups are divided into two: the one you do yourself and the one that is performed by us in the hospital. Now, if you are a lady, that vagina is yours. Just look at it. You can even use a mirror. Look at it. Always palpate or just check the vaginal area, the labias, the labia majora and minora, that is the vulvas. Check for any sign of swelling. Check for any sign of any pain while you are touching it, or even any discharge that may have a distinct smell in your vaginal area. Do self checkup. If you are afraid of checking your vagina and feel that it's not normal, then come to the hospital. We make proper diagnosis. We make proper vaginal examination. If there are any laboratory investigation to be done, then we will do it. For example, urinalysis to elicit any infection, and we will give you proper treatment regarding to your diagnosis. It's nice to know that ladies should be able to care for your vagina, and number one thing that you should normally do is to stick to gentle and scented products for external cleansing, those that are recommended. Wear breathable underwears and avoid tight clothing, and maintain healthy diet and always stay hydrated. Kindly use condoms, and this is normally helping to prevent unwanted pregnancies or even infection. Always visit gynecologists for any checkup, and we encourage cancer screening for all ladies. Normally just come to us, we'll do cancer screening for you. And all my videos have been talking about this particular disease, that is urinary tract disease or urinary tract infection. If you have not watched those videos, kindly go to the description below and get to enjoy this, and also what happens to a lady if she doesn't have sexual intercourse for a very long time. Click the link that are appearing up here, or the videos that are appearing up here, so that it can help you. And if you are a lady who want to get pregnant very fast, just go to the description below and check all those information that I've provided in these particular videos. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Muchas gracias.